So we're continuing here with EC12 from physics classroom and specific. So we're looking here at the last couple of questions on this. The first one, this is just Q9. It essentially has battery and then three resistors in parallel with each other, and it wants to know the current at one of these specific points given it wants to know the current here, which is at the battery. That's basically current total. And it tells you the currents at each of these three, 1, 2, and 3. So this should be a really basic conceptual question with circuit theory, because really it's just going to be this. If you think about Kirchhoff's loop junction rule, the current coming into here, which is this current, has to equal the total of these three currents that's coming out. Or likewise, these three currents here have the sum of those has to equal what's in here, because it's kind of like lanes of traffic. So this one should be pretty easy in so much that you just add them up. And I just now reread the question, and it asking for one. This I and this one was confusing me. So it's wanting to know the current here, and it gives you the current at I2 of 2.6 and at 3 of 4.6. and at the battery, which is total current of 10.0. Well, this is essentially arithmetic, and remember our equation. I'll write it down here after So in parallel, remember current total, this is essentially Kirchhoff's junction rule. Current total, which here we know to be 10, is going to equal I1, which we don't know, plus 2.6 plus 4.6. I'm not going to solve this because this would be should be some basic math for you, but that's how you would find the current there. All right, so this next one I went ahead and put on here. It's very similar. In this case, it gives you the current at all three of these and wants to know here. And we go back to our original equation, and I'm not going to take the time to go through all this, but this is as simple as you just add them up. This is an important thing to remember in circuit theory as far as what's happening with that current. All right, thank you, and make sure to like and subscribe.